What are you doing? I locked up that side. So now you're coming over this side. What are you going after? You're going after the cat food. Really? Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Think you better go back under? Yeah? You're going to fall down the back of that thing, child. You are ridiculous. She's going down the back of it. She's going to get her legs stuck around that wire and pull down the microwave. Your mom's standing here watching you do this, too. There we go. There we go. Better grab her. Something. Good catch, Mom.
Forget the kid. We got to save
the old frying pan.
Frying pan. Priorities.
Okay, now what are you going to do? Oh my God, this is every day. This is not a special thing. There goes the wire. Oh God, grab something, hold something up there. There you go. Well, maybe not. You spawned this one.